Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the device and getting into the store. Make sure your Android is charged and on Wi-Fi to avoid data charges, then open Google Play Store. Once done, search for Helakuru, type the name exactly. You need to be signed into a Google account to download. If you prefer an APK, enable unknown sources carefully. Download the Helakuru app now. While it installs, you'll prepare to enable the keyboard in system settings, so the next steps move quickly. You installed Helakuru, now enable it. Open the app and follow prompts that explain permissions and features, because the app needs access to input methods to work. Next, go to Settings, then Languages and Input, then Virtual Keyboard. Tap Manage Keyboards and toggle Helakuru on. You'll see a permission dialog. Accept necessary permissions so clipboard and emoji work. Once enabled, return to Virtual Keyboard to select Helakuru as your default input method. This makes it active across apps for typing Sinhala. You finish by configuring Helakuru to suit your typing style. Open the Helakuru app to choose layout, predictive suggestions, and voice typing. Adjust fonts and shortcuts for faster Sinhala input. Then test in a messaging app and switch keyboards with the globe icon or long press the spacebar. If the keyboard fails to appear, make sure Helakuru is toggled on in settings. If still broken, restart the phone and update the app. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear app cache or reinstall if permissions stayed blocked.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.